Hey guys, I want to get on and give you a little short video and to show you some things that I have gotten with my Instapot. I've ordered them. A couple things came with it. Well, I'll show you. Okay, as you know, this pot comes with the Instapot. It goes inside. And then inside that Instapot, you have a trivet if you want to use it or not. And this comes with your Instapot. And you can put it down, you know, to do chicken or beef or whatever you want. Be right down in the water. The next thing I got this, and this is a steamer. And this steamer is silicone, and you just put it in either on top of that trivet, which that's what I do if I steam anything. So you don't have to put your broccoli doesn't have to be right down in the water or anything like that. So this is really good. Now all this I have ordered online. So, you know, if you have any questions, just give me down in the comment and I'll let you know. The next thing I got, which I love, this is the cover. If for some reason there's stuff left over in this, I just put this cover over it and put it in the refrigerator. It is really great. I mean, it keeps it fine. Because if I'm not going to put it in, not going to use it, I mean, not cook the next night and do, oh, somebody wants their cookie. Their food to, you know, that they'll eat it the next day or whatever. That is, and it keeps it really fresh. Also, I bought this. This is a temper for Instapots that goes on top of this on the pot when you are slow cooking or you're sauteing. I have found that when I'm sauteing, it splatters because it gets so hot. So I just put that on top of this pot and saute and put it back and forth and I'll do it. You don't want to leave this on as pressure cook. Common sense, you know you don't. You use this lid for that. But those are the things that I love. I also bought a new rim for it because this rim, as time goes on, and I want to make sure and that you know I could get it. This rim right here, you just replace. It's very easy to do. You see the little, it just pops back out and you put a new one in. So those are the things I suggest that you get if you love your Instapot and you want to do it. What's so good about this temper thing is, see, it has a little hole there so steam can get out, or when you're sauteing or frying or browning. I mean, it's great. So anyway, I wanted to show you that real quick. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Hope it's full of sunshine and beautiful memories. Don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And to be kind. Be kinder than they are. And you go and get you an Instapot and get these things. And you know, like you said, you don't have to do it all at once. Just maybe once a month or every other month. If you want to get some accessory that goes with it, do it. That's what I did. I love you guys. Until tomorrow.